Are you on the hunt for the ultimate student accommodation in Montreal? Well, hold on to your toques because we've got some serious maple syrup goodness for you. Nestled in a posh, high-end neighborhood, Harrington Housing Guy Concordia offers a wide range of fully furnished studio rooms and shared apartments to suit every student's fancy. Wake up to breathtaking city views and rejuvenate your soul with refreshing showers and stylish bathrooms. Curl up with a good book at the study desk or catch up on the latest Netflix series on the TV while sitting on the comfiest bed ever. The choice is yours. Plus, you will also have access to the property's top-notch amenities, including a fully equipped shared kitchen that'll make you want to break out your inner master chef, to a fitness center that'll have you flexing like a true poser. With major universities like Université du Québec Montreal and University of Montreal just a hop, skip, and a jump away, you'll never have to worry about being late for class. And if you're in the mood for some grub or entertainment, this neighborhood has got you covered. From scrumptious eateries to cultural hotspots, there's always something exciting to do. So, what are you waiting for? Head to amberstudent.com and make the most of your student experience in Montreal.